buksan natin yung order ko sa sa Amazon. Ito yung mattress cover. Gusto mong buksan ito, Eliezer?
Yes, please.
Okay. Ito. Ang sabi sa instruction, 24 hours daw na ilatag siya para mag-bulge. So, i-try natin. Natin. Look at that. Daming ano siya. Daming box.
Bigat.
Mabigat. Ano ba ito? Anong wings? Okay. Ganito na naman natin kaya.
Stuck. It's
Talagang
stuck.
sinicure. Sinicure
How
talaga.
about here, mommy? How about here?
No, it's okay. We can just remove here. Oh yeah, it's stuck eh.
Stuck. Oh.
There you go. Yeah, just go straight. There. Okay, thank you, Lisa.
Wake up. Yeah.
Okay, saan natin umpisahan to, Lisa? Saan mo gustong umpisahan?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Maybe here. How about
Okay.
here?
Here.
Okay. Okay. Ito ba yung yung mattress topper, yung ilagay doon sa top ng mattress para hindi masakit yung ulo? Ay, ulo, sorry. Masakit yung likod. First time kong gumamit nito eh. Maraming magandang review. So, itry natin.
Stuck.
Na-order ko sa Amazon.
You said that
Yeah, I said that eh.
2 times.
Oh, kadoki. Oh. You have... Tayo mo? There you go. Wow. Kailangan sinicure. Oh, look at that.
Big.
Seems like fancy eh.
Yeah, here.
Okay. Can you open for me then, please?
Stuck. Oh, yeah. But it's tied up.
It's tied up eh. I think you just need to undo this eh.
Okay.
There
Do
you
you
go.
back this?
Yeah, just like that. Maganda sa labas.
Yeah.
Oh boy, look at this.
Soft.
It's cool. Hilahin mo dyan.
Wait.
Anong tayo this roll? Ito mga dilan. Sige, lain mo dyan. Oh.
Oh.
Ah, ganun dito.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah. Sige, buksan mo yung shirt. Ano yung instruction? Dito ka, Edison. Gusto mo dito? Third, please wait for... Oh, yeah. There you go. Sabi dito sa instruction, after unfolding this topper, please wait for 24 hours for the topper to breathe and naturally fluff. Use it with bed sheet cover. Dry it before long-term storage. To naturally drying, we suggest to dry it for 2 to 3 hours in a cool and ventilated place timely. Do not expose it to direct sunlight. Frequent washing is not recommended. We suggest a dry cleaning by professional dry cleaners every 2 years. Yeah, it said it's 100% polyester. So, i-try natin. Okay, dear.
Big. Big.
Yeah, it's like... There you go, Alistair. Oh, Lord, that is already bulged. Oh, there. Oh, finally. Okay. Here.
Soft.
Yeah, we need to sit this for like 24 hours, said in the instruction, so we'll try to do it, okay? Okay. Can you help me just try there, fit, Elisa? Can you help me, please?
Where?
Doon sa kwarto. But it seems like this small though.
Yeah.
Okay, try natin doon sa kwarto. And then we'll let it sit for 24 hours. Okay. Here, can you drag it for me, please? Okay, let's go, anak.
Okay.
Okay, I'll help you. There.
Where? Here?
Yeah, under room. Oh, it's too dark. Hold on, dear. There. Okay, we'll try there, okay? Ito yung panggamitan ko doon sa baba. Dahil minsan natutulog si Ellie doon. So at least mas comfortable. Tapos kung maganda siya, mag-order pa ako ng para sa amin. Na,
Yeah.
Is it fit? You think it's fit, anak?
Yeah.
You think so, eh? Oh yeah, it's perfect. Because this one is
It's so
full
comfy.
size bed. So it should be fit. There. Thank you for Thank you, Ellie, sir, for
Hey
helping.
guys.
Magulo pa dahil inaano pa namin yung sa bed sa basement. We're trying to move the bed sa basement, yung galing dito.
The old
Nailagay
one.
Yeah, the old one. Nailagay namin sa basement.
Yeah.
Yan. Ayan po yung paggamitan ko. So, I will let it sit for 24 hours and see you again. Thanks.
Goodbye. Goodbye,
What
guys.
will you say, anak? Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Joyce Fresh. Bye.
Bye.